What's up guys, check out this solar powered pool light with chlorine box at the bottom. This is really nice to have chlorine in your pool and also have a nice cool look with the lights. It is solar powered, which is super nice, so you don't need a battery for this or anything. It's also waterproof obviously because it goes in the pool. It comes with a remote that you could set different colors and a timer, so you could have 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. You could change speed, you could have it alternate lights. It does turn on easy. The chlorine box goes at the bottom. You just twist it open and close, and you could go ahead and just put your chlorine tablet in there and then close it back up and have some nice lights. So go ahead, check it out.